Hey, it's Tim from Another Man's Customs. I'm going to do a little short here. I've got a piece of my floor here on my javelin frame, and it's got some rust holes in it, so we're going to replace it real quickly. Okay, I'm switching over to a flapper disc just to get a smoother surface on this patch I put on the floor. Let's clean that up. Okay, there it is. Yeah, you could see the bottom. There'll be a line here. It's going to get undercoated, kind of like a truck bed liner, so you won't see any of that. Just a quick little demo on the Art Captain MiG 160. Again, doing its job like it did when I did the demo. Only now this is on the actual car, so I'm pretty happy with it. So. Also, remember, I'm going to put a link at the end of this video, and the link will get you 5% off anything that's on their website. So take advantage of that. Maybe there's something there you need. Maybe there's something there you want to try. But again, this is third, fourth time I've used this welder, and I'm still very happy with it. So take care, and remember to hit that subscribe and the like button.